Hey guys, welcome back to Nature's Cadence Farm. Today we're going to be working on the B7500 Kubota tractor we have here. There's the number if you can see that. I'm going to be changing the oil, putting a new air filter in, putting a new fuel filter in, and checking the hydraulic fluid. I've got the filters, but I don't think I have enough fluid to change it today, so no big deal. But yeah, so let's get started. I've got the tractor warmed up to operating temperature, cut some grass with it. Why not run it while it's warming up and do something with it? And I've got everything set up underneath it here, so let's get underneath of the tractor and I'll show you what I've got going on. This tractor is equipped with a front end loader frame. This is the frame that mounts to the tractor itself, and then the loader mounts to it. It's a quick attach loader. It's really nice, but where this little notch is right here, there's a drain plug inside of there, and there it is right there. This is a 19 millimeter or a 3/4 inch, and so we're going to get that loosened up and get the oil coming out, and then the filter is on the other side, the other side right above here. We'll get to that in just a second. I'm not going to go over tight on the drain plug there, because it's not much metal there in the drain pan, or in the drain pan to hold the threads back, so anyway, so we got that. Let's go over on the side of the tractor and we'll get the filter off. Alright, so here's the oil filter right here. I've got a drain pan down underneath of it. It looks like it's gonna leak around the engine anyways, kind of along these hoses and things, so I'm going to do my best just to keep it under control. So I've got a rag here to sop up anything that might drip. So I got my filter wrench here, and we're going to put it on there in the mode to take things off, so like that. There we go. That got it. Yeah, it looks like the drain pan is catching pretty good. I've got it down there. This is a Napa Gold 1064, and so that one worked fine. I've got a new Donaldson filter here. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like a P. I don't know if you can really read that in the plastic. P550162. I got this in a kit off of eBay that had everything in it. Alright, so what I've done here is I've wiped the surface of the oil filter housing, and then I put a little clean oil around the gasket here. So now I'll take my oil filter wrench, flip it around, so now that I'm tightening the filter. And again, not going to go gung-ho. It says on the directions here, get it to finger tight and then turn it one more time. And with about that much is going to be it. So that's it. So now we're going to put some oil in here. Alright, so right in here to the left, you'll see my finger touching it right there. That's the oil fill port for the engine. In fact, it even says oil on it. I've taken and wiped off a bunch of dirt. So that's what it says on top of it. So like I said, I cleaned off a bunch of dirt. I'm going to wipe it a little bit more. It looks like it's got a little bit of... There we go. Had a little bit of gunk in there. Got my trusty funnel. So I'm going to be using this Rotella T5. It's a semi-synthetic 10W30 diesel oil. And I'll let you know how much it takes when I get done. I think it's about a gallon though. So to check your oil level, here on the same side of the engine as the oil filter, we've got the dipstick. So we'll pull that out, put a little in it, check it, wipe it off, see it's clean. I doubt we've got enough in it already, but we'll check it anyways. Yep, so it came out clean, nothing in it. Alright, I've got almost a full gallon in there, so let's check and see how much we've got. Alright, looks like it picked up a little bit of the black gunk in there. That's enough to get it started, and we'll get the oil filter filled up, and then we'll check it again. Alright, that was enough to get the oil filter filled up. I saw the light turn off. Here's the oil pressure sending unit, and that's functional. So let's check it out. Okay, it's right on the add line there. So let's get a little bit more in there. Alright, that's 1 full gallon, and let's see where that put us with the filter change. Oh, that's perfect. We're right in between the full and the add mark, which is right where I want it to be. So alright, let's move on to changing the fuel filter and the air filter.